Hey there, investors. So you fucked up and went all in on NFG? Panic sold already? You should have known this could happen buying mining stocks. The stock took a major hit recently because they weren't sitting on as much as they said they might have been. Who could have seen it coming? It plummeted a whopping 28% after they released their mineral resource estimate. Jesus wept. But before you blank yourself, let's dig deeper and see what's really going on. This isn't the first time New Found Gold has seen its stock price tumble. Just last year, a short seller report from Iceberg Research sent the stock down 5%. They made some accusations, claimed New Found Gold was misleading investors, but even with this recent drop, the stock is still up significantly from its initial public offering price. That tells us some investors are still optimistic about the company's future. So what's the deal? Is New Found Gold a risky gamble or a hidden gem waiting to be unearthed? I don't know. Nobody does. Alright, let's break down this mineral resource estimate that caused such a stir. This report is basically an assessment of the amount and quality of gold they think is in the ground. It's divided into two parts, open pit and underground resources. The open pit estimate suggests there's a good amount of gold, but the grade, meaning how much gold is actually in the rock, isn't as high as some folks were hoping for. The underground estimate is a different story. It shows a smaller amount of gold, but the grade is much higher. That means they could potentially extract more gold per ton of rock, which is good news. Now, the market seems to be focusing more on the open pit estimate and the overall size of the resource. They might be concerned that the lower grade gold won't be profitable enough to extract. But hey, we're talking about gold here. Even at lower grades, it can still be worth a lot of money, especially with the price of gold holding above 3,000 USD per ounce with a chance of going higher. It seems like the market was expecting a lot more from New Found Gold. They might have been hoping for a larger resource or higher grades. When the report didn't meet those expectations, investors hit the sell button like the weak hands they are. Adding fuel to the fire is that pesky short seller report from last year. Iceberg Research really did a number on New Found Gold's reputation. They even accused the CEO of being a stock promoter. Ouch! These accusations, along with past regulatory issues, have made some investors wary. But let's not forget that short sellers make money when a stock goes down. So it's in their best interest to shitpost about the stock. Their goal is to scare weak hands away so they can profit. Too long didn't read. Don't base your investment decisions on people who will profit off you if you sell. Now, for the million-dollar question, should you ape into the derp? If you don't, that's why no one will remember your name. Just kidding. Don't buy into that kind of manipulation. There are definitely some risks to consider. The MRE didn't blow anyone away, and the short seller's accusations are still lingering in the air. Plus, the market can be a harsh bitch, and there's no guarantee the stock will rebound anytime soon. But here's the flip side. New Found Gold is exploring a very promising gold region in Newfoundland. This area has a history of high-grade gold discoveries, and New Found Gold has already found some impressive gold deposits themselves. They have aggressive exploration plans for the year, and the CEO seems confident about the project's potential. On top of that, they have the backing of Eric Sprott, a legendary gold investor. If he believes in New Found Gold, that's gotta count for something, right? So what's the verdict? New Found Gold is a classic high-risk, high-reward opportunity. The recent stock drop could be a chance to buy in at a discount, but there are still a lot of unknowns.